All right, welcome back, mates. Welcome all bowlers. What's happening Monday morning? Hope everybody's doing well. You're probably going to get this in the afternoon. We'll load it all up, but I hope everybody had a phenomenal weekend. We are nearing the end stretch in the month of July, and we're going to head into the heat of August here in the eastern United States, and crypto looks as if it wants to fly. And we are talking correlated trading. We've been talking about this for months, and this method is literally in fuego. Okay, it is on fire for all traders using this method right now. I cannot tell you how many emails and messages I've gotten in the last 5 or 6 days because people are recognizing this very simple method. And it's not some method that you got to pay some guy $5,000 of your Bitcoin, or some guy's got to give you a consult or whatever for 15 minutes that costs you $2,200 or cost you your Bitcoin from your wallet. Okay. It's none of that bullshit. Okay. It's very simple. You can learn as you go and you can teach yourself. You do not need anyone else. There's nothing else you need except an exchange and 6 currencies that you are willing to follow. Here right now, I've got a correlation that says it all. This is just for the last, really day and a half, 2 days. I can take it all the way back and you can just kind of see. But we know what happened this weekend, right? We know Bitcoin is pushing $40,000 probably in the next 24 to 48 hours, up from 30,000 level, right? It's a 10,000 basis point swing in 4.5 days, mates. Okay. If you're not familiar with leverage, I can tell you that is a massive gain for anyone. 1x, 3x, 5x, 10x, 100x, whatever it is. That's a massive move. Okay. And you're not really going to hear too much about the move. You're going to hear more about like the content nuance of we're bullish again. We've always been bullish. The bull market never went away. The bull cycle never ended. I don't know what these people are talking about other than manipulating people on YouTube, to take their money. Like that's the reality of what it is they want to take your money because everybody that I know and most people in the developer community and most people in the legitimate Bitcoin content community have been buying Bitcoin for the last month and a half since June 22nd. They've been major buyers of Bitcoin. Now, they can still talk about the bearish tendency or whatever in the market, but when the market rebounds, corrects, or does its thing when it reaches a short, we talk about support and resistance. We talk about on the on-chain metrics. This is what happens, mates. These are all correlated to Bitcoin. You can see the exact same move Bitcoin is making. These assets fundamentally are making as well. Okay. And that's what I'm talking about is you are trading behavior. You're not trading price. I've said it a million times and I'll keep saying it because people still get stuck on, well, Bitcoin's 40,000. I don't care. Bitcoin's 28,000. Don't care because I'm not trading the price. I'm trading the underlying behavior in the market for everything correlated to Bitcoin. Okay. And so that's how you have to go. If Bitcoin was to right now turn around and do an about face and plummet 5,000 basis points, these are going to plummet as well. Right? There's no way around it. We've seen it at least 6 times since April where we've seen this in the market. Okay. And so I cannot stress this enough. But if you just look, I even threw up here this time for the first time Ethereum Classic and how it's correlated to Ethereum, who's correlated to Bitcoin, right? And so you can see here Ethereum Classic is baby blue and Ethereum is here in orange. And look at the virtual correlation here. Okay. And then look at Bitcoin Cash, okay, which is going to break $500 if it hasn't already, okay, because Bitcoin is now approaching 40,000. Bitcoin Cash, orange, okay, and this is Bitcoin. Look at virtual identical move here. Now, the move in Bitcoin Cash